Rebound is an inescapable force that doesn't receive much attention as a topic of child passenger safety. The reason it isn't a primary concern is because it's actually a secondary force. Rebound can be defined as reactive motion in the opposite direction after initial impact has occurred. It's the force that throws you back into your seat after a front impact. Britax Child Safety is the only manufacturer to offer a rebound-limiting device on every rear-facing harnessed restraint that it produces. In the case of the Chaperone infant carrier, this device is aptly named an anti-rebound bar. To better understand the benefits of a rebound-limiting device, let's take a look at the events of a typical front impact crash without a rebound-limiting device. In the case of a frontal impact, the most frequent type of impact, a child restraint tends to continue to move forward via the elongation of the webbing material used to hold the child restraint in place, and down via the compression of the vehicle seat cushion. After the initial impact is over, the restraint wants to move back to its original state, but due to the elongation and compression previously mentioned, the restraint dramatically overshoots its original position and comes into contact with the vehicle seat back. The Britax Chaperone infant carrier has been designed to minimize rebound with their patented anti-rebound bar. This component is affixed to the in-car base of the infant carrier and limits the movement by forming a rigid L shape with the base bottom pressed against the bottom and back seat cushions of the vehicle. The reduction in child restraint movement then allows the harness in the restraint to perform its designed function, and also keeps the child's head from contacting the back of the vehicle seat. In the case of a rear impact, the child restraint will attempt to rotate toward the rear of the vehicle, toward the point of impact. The anti-rebound bar will significantly reduce the distance it will be able to rotate toward the vehicle seat back during the crash event. At Britax, our focus is on managing energy away from your child. The Chaperone infant carrier with anti-rebound bar and true side impact protection is just another example of why there is only one best choice when it comes to the safety of your child. Trust your baby's safety to Britax.